The monitor's blue light was a wall between them. Mark stared at code while the dinner steam vanished into the cold air. Lily's tug went ignored. Anna felt the ocean of silence growing until the heavy thud of a suitcase latch signaled the end of their life together. Her mother's embrace was a sanctuary, and the creaking floorboards whispered of safety. But soon, the silence of her childhood home began to weigh heavy. Anna scrubbed floors until her knuckles turned white, folding laundry with surgical precision, desperately trying to prove she still had a place in this world. A relative's question about work hung in the air like an accusation. Anna gripped her teacup, fingers trembling. She felt like a guest who had overstayed her welcome. Then, her mother took the clothes from her hands, pointing to the order Anna had created and the happy child nearby. "You are the anchor here," her mother's touch seemed to say. The weight lifted. Anna opened her laptop, not to hide, but to build. She updated her resume, highlighting the resilience found in the quiet moments. In the garden, she took a dandelion from Lily and looked toward the gate. She was no longer hiding. She was ready to step out.